Hi guys, welcome back. So for today, we will be baking my favorite peanut butter cookies. Peanut butter is my favorite food. It's the best thing ever. I place also emphasis on the word baking because if you know me, I am very useless inside the kitchen. That is because I do not know how to function and use any of the equipment inside the kitchen. How will we bake our cookies? We will be using the stove. And the stove is the only equipment that I know how to use without burning the house down. So if you want to see how I bake my cookies, let's go! These are the ingredients that we will be using today. So we have oatmeal, peanut butter, vanilla, soy milk. You can use the cow's milk, muscovado, or you can use any sugar of your liking, butter, and to top off my cookies, I have chosen the Reese peanut butter chips. Hey guys, so we are now in the kitchen. We will be prepping all the wet and dry ingredients, but I have already pre-prepared the dry ingredients and the peanut butter since those are the hardest to prepare because they have the greatest amount. I will be leaving in the description box below the how much of the ingredient that you need. So I have prepared 1 cup of sugar and half cup of oatmeal, and the star of our recipe, 1 cup of oatmeal. So for all the other ingredients, we will be heading now to the stove and we will measure and put it all together from there. Let's go. This is how the sugar, milk, and butter looks like after 1 minute of being in the stove and being continuously stirred. Now we will be adding the oatmeal into our mixture. All the ingredients are in, and this is our baked cookies. So what we will do now is that we will put this on the bowls that I will be using like this because I do not have parchment paper. If you have parchment paper, I think it's best to put it there, and we will just let the cookies cool down. So I will be doing that in a sec. My cookies are gonna look like this because they came out straight from the pan. So this is again our finished product, and the cookies will be looking like this, and it will be topped with our Reese peanut butter chips. Hopefully by the time I am done eating whatever is left from the spoon and from the pan, my cookies are already cooled down so that we can already do the taste test. So I'm so excited to eat, and I hope you are too. So we shall continue eating what is left in the pan. Hi guys, so this is it. We are now going to do the taste test. I have with me here my cookies, so I'm so excited to eat, so let's try one now.
That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you have enjoyed this video as much as I did, leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you have tried it as well. So if you've tried it and there's anything that you can do to improve it, that would be great. I will also appreciate if you would let me know on how we can improve this. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.